Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at the last Cars and Coffee of the season. We got Cade and Stella. They were all the ones. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. So we came here in my S8 again, and I will be sure to go down the Audi row this time. I know a few of you were disappointed that I didn't take time to go down the row of Audis last time, which is a good point. Should probably run down those, but honestly, by the time I got back to the Audi row, most of them were gone last time. So let's go take a look around. We'll start at the Audis first for you guys, and then we're gonna head off over to the supercars. Yeah, let's enjoy the last Cars and Coffee. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ryan. My Audi S8's over there. My YouTube channel is Detour, so please subscribe if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
And
my name is Rafael, and I have a Jeep SRT. My YouTube channel is called That Man's Gordo, so don't forget to subscribe and show love.
Yeah. So guys, make sure you go follow Rafael. He's got a sweet SRT Jeep. It's way over there in the domestic section, but he's over here checking out the Audis, so make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, go subscribe, you too, man.
Here you guys go. There's a D3 A8 W12. There you go. So I'll point out a couple differences here. The A8s don't have the little ducktail spoiler on the trunk there, and they don't have this, obviously the same ground effects, but the W12s do have the dual exhaust. What a cool looking car. Hey guys, just ran into Ryan here. He's got the 04, right?
04, yeah, 04
Gallardo. He converted it to rear-wheel drive so he can do donuts, which is awesome.
Yes.
He clearly follows the right guy for doing Lamborghini donuts.
Yeah, and we're gonna do something soon on this channel here, and then you can go over and follow mine too.
Yeah, so follow his
Lambo LAMBO _ Dad DADD.
Yeah,
so
I'll put it on the screen here.
Yeah, and we'll be doing something super sweet. Probably do some donuts.
Sweet. So he'll be easy to remember. His name's Ryan. My name's Ryan. So that worked out.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So yeah, be sure to go follow his YouTube channel as well. He just did some crazy donuts with his mom in the car for her birthday, which is super hilarious. But yeah, it's good running India, Ryan.
Awesome, dude.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we'll do something.
Yeah, sounds good. So guys, we're back at the house from the car show. It is actually a different day because I forgot to film the outro for the video, but I hope you enjoyed the car show content. Unfortunately, it is the last Cars and Coffee of this year, so last car show, at least there, that we're gonna go to. Hopefully there's some winter ones or maybe some winter rallies we could go on. That'd be a lot of fun. But I got the car positioned here in the third stall, getting ready to film another video on the S8. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Hit that like button, and we'll talk to you guys next time.